Hi, my name's Dan Bacon and welcome to Approaching and Talking to Women for Beginners. Most guys out there need a bit of extra help when it comes to talking to women. They don't know what to say to start conversations. They find they run out of things to say when they're talking to women they like. Even though the guy is a good guy and he's got good intentions, he just doesn't get that connection with the woman and nothing happens and he loses his opportunity with her. So this course is about how to talk to women. What I'm going to do is guide you through the process of starting conversations with women in different environments, keeping conversations going and keeping them interesting, and then developing that interest level between you and the woman so you can get her phone number, you can add her to Facebook, and then you can go forward with the dating process from there. So there are 4 main sections to the course. 1, how to feel confident when approaching and talking to women. Number 2, starting conversations with women in different environments. Number 3, keeping conversations going and keeping them interesting. And then number 4, getting a woman's contact details. So essentially, this is going to allow you to develop connections with women wherever you happen to meet them. So if you happen to be talking to a woman when you're checking out at the supermarket, or you're buying some food from a takeaway store, or you're at a bar or a nightclub, or you're at a party, you're at university, you're at an adult learning class, it doesn't really matter where you are. What's important is the approach that you use when you're talking to women. And the approach that I'm going to teach you is an approach that causes a woman to feel attraction for you. So instead of her just liking you as a friend or not really feeling much at all, when you start talking to her, she starts to feel attraction for you. Sexual attraction, emotional attraction, intellectual attraction, and then that's when the interest level starts to build. And from there, you just need to go through the process of getting her phone number or adding her to Facebook or escalating to a kiss and then going through the dating process. After you've gone through the course, if you have some further questions for me, I'm going to make myself available here to answer questions once a month. I have my own website called themodernman.com where I answer questions once a week. There's comments posted on my site all the time, and I don't have the time to be sitting there all day, every day answering comments, so I do it every Monday. And I'm happy to come back here and answer comments every month, once a month. So if you've got any questions there, feel free to post them up here or come to my site, post up a question there. I also have additional training programs at my website, themodernman.com.